Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Mermaid Perfume in Heartopia fishing and what makes this item so useful. So Mermaid Perfume is an important item for fishing hobby, this one, and you will unlock it after you reaching the fishing hobby level 6. This one, fishing hobby level 6. This one, you can see it. And once it unlocked, you can purchase this mermaid perfume from NPC Vanya for 2 wishing star, if I'm not mistaken. This one, it costs 2 wishing star per perfume, or you can also buy it with 3,000 gold. And so what does mermaid perfume do? It will give you an auto fishing effect after you use the mermaid perfume. When you use it to fishing like this, wait, when you use to fish like this, when a fish bites the hook, the rod will be automatically be pulled like this, so you don't need to manually reel it in. And this is especially useful if you are fishing for a long time or want to make fishing more convenient. And okay, that's how you use mermaid perfume in Heartopia fishing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.